Did you know there are regions in Japan where people live well past 90, free from pain, fatigue, and with enough energy to tend their gardens every single day? While the Western world rushes towards supplements and miracle pills, they preserve a quiet vitality, built from gestures so simple they almost go unnoticed. These habits, passed down from monks, farmers, and centenarian grandparents, form the foundation of what modern medicine now calls a natural anti-inflammatory lifestyle. And today, you'll discover 4 hidden Japanese habits that cleanse the body from within, balance the nervous system, Yintyo, and restore natural energy in just a few days. Stay until the end. The last one is the most intriguing and almost unknown outside Japan. But before we begin, tell me in the comments which part of your body feels the weight of fatigue the most, your back, your knees, or your mind. And don't forget to subscribe, because here you'll uncover the true secrets of Japanese longevity. Habit 1. The bitter morning tea, Sanpin-cha of Okinawa. While much of the world starts the day with coffee, the Japanese of Okinawa prefer Sanpin-cha, a blend of green tea and jasmine flowers. This light, slightly bitter drink is rich in catechins and polyphenols, compounds known to reduce inflammation and neutralize free radicals. Study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that daily consumption of green tea is linked to lower levels of C-reactive protein, a key inflammatory marker in the AHA blood. But the secret isn't just in the tea, it's in the ritual. They drink it right after waking, in slow, mindful sips, as if awakening the blood. The bitter taste stimulates the liver and metabolism without the adrenaline surge that coffee brings. It's a soft start to the day, but deeply restorative. In Okinawa, they say that bitterness trains the body to endure. Science now knows that bitter compounds activate anti-inflammatory receptors in the gut. Western adaptation. Replace your morning coffee with a cup of green or white tea with jasmine, or try dandelion tea for similar benefits. Drink in silence or seated, breathing deeply between sips. The secret lies not in the liquid, but in the consciousness of how you begin your day. Habit 2. The warm abdomen compress, Hara Atsu onsen. In Japan, there's a saying, health begins in the hara. The hara is the center of the body, the abdomen, where vital energy resides. That's why many Japanese practice Hara Atsu, a simple technique of applying gentle warmth to the belly before bedtime. This warmth stimulates circulation. Care relaxes the visceral muscles and reduces inflammation in the intestines and uterus, as common with aging. Researchers at Kyoto University discovered that mild local heat increases the release of nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates blood vessels and improves circulation. This results in less pain, better digestion, and improved hormonal balance. Beyond physical benefits, this ritual activates the parasympathetic system, the part of your nervous system that relaxes the body and induces deep sleep. Elderly Japanese often say, if the belly is warm, the heart is calm. Keeping the body's center warm reduces cortisol and strengthens immunity. Western adaptation. Use a hot water bottle or a warm towel over your abdomen for 15 minutes before bed. Avoid screens, breathe slowly, and feel the warmth spreading through your body. It's your personal onsen in a nightly spa for inner calm and regeneration. Habit 3. The 14-hour fast, Asa-nuki. Few people know that many Japanese, especially in rural areas, naturally follow Asa-nuki, which means skipping breakfast. They finish dinner early, around 7 p.m., and don't eat again until late morning. This 14-hour interval allows the body to cleanse itself and reduce systemic inflammation, especially in the liver and joints. During this resting period, a process called autophagy occurs, the body's natural recycling of damaged cells. Research led by Nobel Prize winner Yoshinori Ohsumi proved that this process eliminates toxins and prevents chronic inflammatory diseases. What's fascinating is that Asa-nuki wasn't designed as a diet. It emerged naturally from daily life. Fishermen and farmers ate early, worked for hours, and only later had their next meal, unintentionally activating one of the body's most powerful repair mechanisms. Western adaptation. Try finishing dinner a bit earlier and delaying breakfast by 1 or 2 hours. Drink only warm water, green tea, or lemon water during that time. You'll soon feel lighter, less bloated, and with steady energy. No caffeine required. Habit 4. The silence of the hands. Teishin no ma. In rural Japan, there's a ritual called Teishin no ma that literally the moment to stop the hands. It's a brief pause between tasks when a person simply stops, or closes their eyes, and focuses on breathing. It's an almost invisible act, but it holds deep wisdom. The body does not inflame when the mind is silent. Studies from the National Center for Neurology and Psychiatry in Tokyo show that short, breathing pauses can lower cortisol levels by up to 25% in just 5 minutes. This small reset stabilizes blood pressure and activates the vagus nerve, calming the immune system and reducing inflammation. Even today, many Japanese factories and schools practice this 1-minute pause every hour. It's a mental reset that preserves focus and emotional balance. Western adaptation. Once every hour, stop for 60 seconds. Close your eyes, drop your shoulders, breathe deeply, and feel the air moving in and out. This micro pause is a bath of silence and one of the simplest and most powerful ways to restore energy. These 4 Japanese habits, Sanpin-cha, the warmth of the Hara, Asa-nuki, and Teishin no ma, remind us that true healing doesn't come from pills, but from rhythms of warmth and rest, silence and awareness. While the West looks for quick fixes, Japan teaches the opposite. The body heals when it returns to its natural pace. In just a few weeks, these small practices can reduce inflammation, improve sleep, balance hormones, and restore vitality. Now tell me, which of these habits had you never heard of before?